Hey guys, welcome back to These Days. I am Jackie and today it is Sunday, so that means it is another episode of What's Growing. So I've got a bunch of cantaloupe vines growing like crazy out in the front garden and they're doing well. I keep seeing a bunch of little insects all over them, which I know insects are going to be on them, but I feel like it's going to be less of an issue if I put them up vertical. I am going to bring you guys outside. I'm going to show you how I am going to make my cantaloupes grow vertically because I have a small garden bed. So grab a cup of coffee and let's head out there. All right, so I am slightly concerned. I'm going to lose some sun on my sweet potato plants and possibly my other sunflowers over here, but we're gonna roll with it. And I would rather get these off the ground than worry about a little sun that I might miss out on. These are the cantaloupe plants and they are growing really crazy right now. Hopefully I will get some great fruit out of them, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to put these up vertically. I'm going to use a cattle panel and I'm going to cut it and put it up with a garden stake. All right, so I have my cattle panel here that I cut to 18 inches by 55 inches. It's kind of tall, but I didn't feel like cutting the top off, so we're going to leave it like this. And then I also have this garden stake from Lowe's. It's pretty long. I can link it in the description, and it has these little edges right here. So this is what holds up the cattle panel. So here it is. I had a little trouble. The cattle panel was kind of bent, so I was having trouble getting it in the little notches on the stake, but finally my husband came in and helped me. So we're all good now. It is ready. I've helped all the vines go up, and now thankfully my cantaloupe is up off the ground, and I think that it's going to grow well there. We will see. Like I said, pretty much this year in the garden is a lot of it is trial and error for me. I have had a failed garden 3 years in a row, but this year with COVID and the extra time that I've had at home in the mornings, I have had a garden growing really well. If you would like to watch my gardening fails video, I will link it up here. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys find this helpful, and let me know if you guys put your cantaloupes up vertically or if you leave them down on the ground. I feel like this will be better. We'll see. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell. Every week on Sunday I have a What's Growing video and I talk about gardening or houseplants, something related to something that's growing around the yard. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday, and thanks for watching.